So whenever you get a graph presented to you, it's really important that we reuse the information in the graph in our response to the question. So we can see here we are given two bits of data. We've got the amount of salt that's being added and then the percentage of impurities that are being removed. And the question is looking at two different types of salt. And we can see if we look at salt A, we can see salt A is this line here. So salt A is increasing in terms of the amount of salt added. The amount of impurities being removed is increasing until we get to this point. And that point is at 150 milligrams of salt. And that's our maximum amount of impurities being removed. And we can do the same for B. B's got this increase here. And then you've got peak here at 100. And then it starts to decrease again. So the question wants us to say A or B, which is best. It's suggesting that the best way to purify the water is adding B. So if we have a quick look at this, if we look at, there's two different answers to this, and either answer is okay. So I've got answer 1, answer 2. Answer 1, I'm actually arguing that A is better, because if we look at A, if we get to 150 milligrams, we're actually removing more impurity than B is removing here. So 150 milligrams of A removes more impurity, and therefore A is a better salt to use. That's what we've got here. You can also argue that B is better because B removes more. If you use 100 milligrams of B, it removes more than 100 milligrams of A. So in terms of equal amounts, B is better, removes more impurities, and therefore less of B is required to remove the impurities from the water. As I said, either answer is okay, but you have to argue it and present the evidence to support your argument.